Hey, it's James Nicholson. Now, one thing that's really important in your business is to make an impact in business. You need to be known for something, you need to stand out, and you need to be someone that other prospects and clients will remember you forever. Now, I'm traveling Route 66 at the moment. I'm just in a place called Neilwood, and it got me thinking about that because I'm just at this place here where we've got turkey tracks on Route 66. Now, a turkey walked across this road here as they were pouring the tarmac and basically left an imprint in there, left some impact so people could remember him forever and ever. He's immortalized, right? And the thing is, they could have gone over it and redone that bit of road again, but they decided to leave it there as a intricate, memorable part of that. So think about how can you get more impact and be more memorable in your business. One of the key things, right? Because there are certain people in certain industries that are known for doing something. Think about it in your town, wherever you live, or city, wherever you live. There are people that are more memorable in certain industries than others. So if I said plumber, there'll be a certain plumber that more people would know about than the next guy. If I said a pizza restaurant, there'll be a certain restaurant that's better known than others. Now, if you want to see the turkey tracks, I'll show you a little Route 66 sign there. And here's the turkey tracks over here. Pretty cool little thing that they've left in there and made Route 66 even more memorable. And that's the cool thing about Route 66. There's all these little quirky things all the way along. Now, if you found that video interesting, useful, fun, whatever, give me some likes, give me some hearts, give me some comments below. If you haven't got my book yet, what are you doing? You need to get a copy of Expert Mastery, and I'm going to put a link around this because I want to give you a free copy of that book because that will make you more memorable, make you have more impact in your business. So above this video or below it is going to be a link. Click on that link, grab a copy of Expert Mastery. It's free. You've got to pay for the shipping, that's all. So do that now, grab that book, and I'll see you very, very soon. If you want to follow along and see more of my Route 66 videos and more of my business tips and strategies, then wherever you're watching this, make sure you like or follow the page or subscribe, and I will give you more videos like this very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.